Hello guys, good morning. It's a beautiful day today. It's sunny and cloudy and windy, but it's perfect for a beautiful day. And today we are planning to have some barbecue out in the wind outside. Just to show you, we are growing some plants in our own house. We got different plants that we grow and then we use them instead of buying them outside in the market. So first thing first, meat. This is a bit. And if you observe closely, all these meat pieces has some fat attached to it, and this is and we have done this deliberately so that it makes a taste of the lamb when it cooks. The size of the pieces are like not very small, not very large, because when they are large they are undercooked, and when they are small they are overcooked. So you need to be sure about the sizing. See, the garlic. Adeeva, can you help me in peeling off the garlic? 1, 2, 3, and we also have some chicken as well. These are also some small pieces, but this is boneless, complete boneless. There are no bones in them, and we will make barbecue of them as well. Some desi masalas, for example this one, tikka masala from Shan, which is made in Pakistan. Just like that, see, we have crushed all the garlic in it, and then in the last part we are gonna mix it. Go, stop, that's it. And some more. I think our lemon juice is a bit no, put it there. Okay, some here and some there. We have some masala in it, and then see, okay, this one, meat and masala, and then after this we need to mix it up. That's it, right? Adeeva, can you mix it up? Yeah, start mixing it up. Great. Do not crush it. Do not crush it. Softly. Great. Excellent. Adeeva is a. Are you tired? That's it. And here, yes. Now we need to put some olive oil in. It should be extra virgin, which is very healthy for body, and we need to mix that as well. And now we need to wrap this up with the wrap sheet. Hold it, Adeeva. Nice. Put it there. So this one is wrapped now, and we need to keep it for a few hours now. Okay, so now we have the barbecue skewers here, and we also have the meat marinated and the chicken meat marinated. Here we go. Our first barbecue skewer is ready, and we are going to continue. Second one is ready, and now the third one, fourth one, progress now. These are the lamb skewers, and these are the chicken skewers. So we also have some salad. It's a mix of cucumber, onion, tomato, avocado, and some salad leaves and everything. Okay, so now we are out. Stove. We have some coal here, this one, and then we have the other stuff for eating and plates and everything. And let's start from the coal. We also have some fire burners here that we need to put on. I think it's kerosene or something, letting the fire up. On the other side we have some traditional desi roti going on. See, 27 degree. Along with it, it's windy. It's so much windy, you know, outside. So I also have to get some you know, something to wear because of the cold. Oh my god, this is so tasty, man. When doing barbecue, you need to know that you should not put the skewers on fire, direct fire, because then the meat will burn. Let's taste it. Juice enough that whenever you bite a bit, it separates, you know. I have with me some homemade roti or chapati, whatever you call it, and I like it because it's whole flour, you know. There is no starch in it or anything. So let's do something with it. See, some more incoming. Slowly. Don't squish it. Wow. Don't squish it. Start from the end. Don't squish it. One by one. Do it. Yes. Good job, Adeeva. Good job. A barbecue without spice is nothing. We got chicken sticks and they'll be finished in a few minutes because chicken meat is so sensitive to fire. It cooks really fast. So this was such a nice barbecue setup we had today. I hope you guys have liked the video today. We will be back with a new vlog very soon, and if you like the video, please follow or subscribe my channel, my page, and I'll be grateful for that. And see you in the next vlog, and till then, goodbye.